Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I colored my wig using just box dye. So if you want to see how I achieved this look, then please keep on watching. So I'll be using the Dark and Lovely color intensity in the shade Radiant Copper. So I'll basically just mix the contents in the box and just apply it onto the hair. So I'm going to apply this all over the wig. So the hair is from Golden Silk on Instagram. I'm going to leave all the information down below. So the hair lifted quite fast, so I think I left it in for about 30 minutes and then I rinsed it out. So now that the hair is dry, I'm going to move to the next step, which is just the highlighting. So I'm going to use one box of the Cream of Nature hair dye in Ginger Blonde. That's what I use for my natural hair. So that's what I'm going to use for the highlight. So basically you just mix everything in the box and then we move straight to applying. So starting from the middle, I'm going to take a foil and then apply it. I'm using the foil because I want it to lift faster. So I'm just going to apply the dye on that section. And then I'll leave space before going to the next one. So this is what I'll be doing throughout the hair. I'm just going to pick random pieces, but I made sure that I left spaces in between. So I left the dye in for 20 minutes and then I washed and conditioned this hair. So this is the final look, guys. Don't forget to comment, share, like and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.